Yes, okay, traders. Yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another time. So, as usual, I've got some time to do the market analysis, and always I analyze gold spot. So, basically, I do what we call the top down analysis from the monthly time frame, then I go down to 4 hour time frame, and in 4 hour time frame is where I always provide exact probable direction now for the coming week. So make sure that you watch this video until the end. And in my analysis, I do the wave counts, and also I read the candlestick patterns, and also I do the support and the resistance, plus the trend lines. So in a combination of all these factors, I am able to provide a probable direction now on particular instruments. So this is gold, and I'm in a monthly time frame. So in a monthly time frame, we can quickly see what is happening there. Basically, now we're seeing 2 months consecutively market has been rejecting from this level here, and now this current month, it is demonstrating most of the bearish momentum, and we have left with just 13 days for the monthly candle to close. So it is most likely to be closing with the bearish momentum. But all in all, in the monthly time frame, the bearish momentum is being created. But how far is going to move to the downside? So basically, in lower time frames, we can see exactly where market is mostly expected to move in monthly time frame to the downside. So quickly, I'm going to the weekly time frame to see what are the key things to consider in weekly time frame. So as usual, as I've been saying in more than 2 months ago, just I was saying about the three-wave swing to the upside correction, the three-wave swing correction. So currently we are at a region where correction is mostly likely to occur. So, and it has already started. So basically, in weekly time frame, in most case, we see price has been moving to this level, and this level always is a very significant because it has been supporting price several weeks ago. So even this week bounced at the same level and created a bullish momentum now. So it has failed to break to the downside. But basically, we expect once a level has been resisted several times, when it breaks, so we expect a serious movement to the continuation direction. So basically, it doesn't mean the price has failed to break this level. It may happen in the future weeks. So price may break and have a stronger bearish momentum because our target is down here. So we are looking for the fourth wave at this level down here. But as we go in lower time frames now, we can see now what is mostly likely to happen for the coming week. But now, as we look on the weekly time frame now, if we do something like, let me hide the drawings, so you can see this one can be a head and shoulder pattern. So is a sort of such type of pattern is happening at this level. So we expect maybe this side may continue pushing to the downside based on the head and shoulder pattern structure. Or if you move to the line graph, you can clearly see what is happening at this level based on on that structure. Then in daily time frame, now we can see the highlight of things. And basically in daily time frame, we can also start with the same idea. We see the head and shoulder, we have this side, we have the head part, and also the shoulder on the other side. Then the price is strongly pushing to the downside. So this push may continue based on the head and shoulder pattern. And also we see the static support down here, as I've said, in the weekly time frame. So price has been rejected at this level several times. So currently we are also rejecting at the level, and it was on Friday. Now we see the stronger one. Now this one was on previous Friday. It's when price touched the level. So this week was most of correction to the upside. So basically, we expect this correction is going to move up to this simple technical level. So we have this trend line up here. So after touching this trend line, price is expected to turn to the downside. That is the simple projection in daily time frame. But in the 4 hour time frame is where I provide now exactly what is possibly likely to happen. So as we go now to 4 hour time frame, we can see what is happening now. So there are a lot of things now in 4 hour time frame. So basically we see a simple trend line moving above. But in addition to that, we have this static resistance here. So basically you can find now this is also significant because price bounced from it several times. So currently market is approaching that level, and in addition to that we have this another trend line running from this side, and it is also passing at the same level. So now there are three factors of confluence here, and also based on my wave counts now, based on my wave counts, because currently I'm looking for the possible move to the downside. So price is pushing to the downside in an ABC pattern. So here is wave B. So let me squeeze like this. Okay. So basically, I'm looking for the possible ABC to the downside. So here is A. So let me move this to the proper position. Yes, it's A somewhere there. So here is A. So B was completed here. So we are looking for C to the downside. So if we are looking for C to the downside, C is going to be a 5-wave move. So wave 1 has already started here. Then wave 1 is currently correcting to the upside. So if this is correction of this wave 1, now this push, so we expect now, if we do the Fibonacci, we can see something here. Now from the top to the bottom, now we can see something. So basically you can find that this level, now this level is at those key Fibonacci levels. Now it is between the 61 and 78. So price is mostly likely to come up to this level, then continue to the downside. So this provide our projection for next week, where basically we'll be watching for completion of this push. Price may continue with this push to the upside up to around the level of 2350. Now from 2350, around 2350, we expect it to see selling confirmations, and whereby we'll be selling down to the level of 2300. So we'll be selling to 2300. Then after 2300, now we will be watching for the 2300 level to break and retest. If price will break and retest, is expected to continue down. So this will be the next week analysis, now looking forward how price is going to push to those other levels up to the mostly likely level is 2100. So basically for this week, let's watch for those previously mentioned levels. But alternatively, but this is less likely to happen, price may slightly continue to the upside. So if it break this level and continue to the upside without breaking the 2400 level, now we have this level here. So if price will still be moving within or below 2400, we will still be looking for sales. But once price break and close above 2400, now we will be looking for possible buys and continuation to the upside. So we have to watch for break of this level here. So if this is broken, price is above, so we'll be now looking for buys. So buys will be considered above 2400, and we'll be buying to the levels of around 2450. So we can go up to 2450, those levels above here. So that's how we are going to trade next week, and this is the weekend analysis. So make sure that you watch analysis from other traders, do your own analysis, and you can like this video if you think is useful, and also put a comment if you have any question or addition. I like to hear from other traders. So this is powerful. Have a powerful weekend.